Maximum number of casualties, like you also pointed out, is from Kerala. Pinarayi Vijayan wrote a letter to External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar seeking the centre's intervention.
In fact, he asserted that the Indian embassy in Kuwait should coordinate relief and rescue operations by contacting the government of Kuwait. S. Jaishankar also spoke to his Kuwaiti counterpart and was apprised of the efforts that have been made by the Kuwaiti authorities in this regard.
यहाँ पे जो 4 हॉस्पिटल हैं, अदान हॉस्पिटल, मुबारक कबीर हॉस्पिटल, जहरा हॉस्पिटल और फरवानी हॉस्पिटल, जहाँ पे चारों जगह पे सभी पेशेंट को भेजा गया है। जहाँ जहाँ वैकेंसी बना के गवर्नमेंट पूरी तरह से ख्याल कर रही है। हॉस्पिटल में बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी है, बहुत अच्छे से इंतज़ाम हो रहा है उनका। और इसके साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे उनके रिलेटिव भी आ रहे हैं, कंपनी वाले भी आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए। मॉर्निंग में हमारे एम्बेसडर भी आए थे, वो देख के गए हुए हैं। ये कितने बजे हादसा हुआ था भाई?
और 4:30 बजे से।
4:30 बजे। फिर आपने कैसे बचे आप?
हम तो सुबह आदमी लोग जो हल्ला कर रहा था रोड पे, इसलिए हम जाएगा। बाद में हम लोग शीशे खोल के बाद में वो
जंप किया?
जंप नहीं किया।
हाँ।
केबल तार था उसमें बांध के।
अच्छा, केबल तार। अच्छा, केबल तार से बाहर नीचे उतरे। ओहो,
वो 3 आदमी जैसे उतरा उससे।
अच्छा,
4 आदमी जैसे।
अच्छा।
और दूसरा रूम का आदमी इधर आके उतरा।
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं भाई आप?
ठीक है ना जी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। फिलहाल तो मैं अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ, मेंटली भी फिजिकली भी। थोड़ा सा पेन है पाँव में बस।
अच्छा।
और तो फिलहाल ठीक है।
अच्छा। अपने घर पे बात हुई आपके?
जी, बात हो गई है।
सब लोग
ठीक है। हाँ,
सबको इत्मीनान दे दिए, तसल्ली दे दिए?
जी।
अच्छा। कंपनी के आदमी आए थे आपसे पूछने के लिए?
हाँ, कंपनी के आदमी आते हैं।
ओके।
Now, politics has erupted over the Kuwait fire incident. Shashi Tharoor tweeting, "This is the harsh reality of immigrants who are suffering," saying the government should prepare the bill for migrants and that the bill needs to ensure decent work conditions. Swati.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at the post put out by Shashi Tharoor, and this is in fact the second one, a series of posts put out by him. He says, and I quote, "This tragedy is a reminder of the terrible privations our migrant workers undergo in their efforts to support their families at home. More than 5 years ago, when I chaired the Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, I requested the government to prepare an updated immigration bill to ensure decent condition of work and security for our migrant workers. I am shocked that 5 years later, there is still no bill." And he's also urging the government to address this issue at the earliest and draft a serious bill in consultation with all the stakeholders. When Indian workers are sent abroad, they must have contractual assurances of decent conditions of life, work, pay and residence before they leave our shore. So Shashi Tharoor, they're pointing out in a way that this was waiting to happen. He's also now asking the government to draft a serious bill and to ensure that the living condition, the working condition for our migrant workers abroad is such that it takes care of them. Let's listen into what he said.
Truly tragic. In fact, they had packed about couple of hundred people into that building, and it's really sad to hear that the fire killed, I believe they initially said 35, now it looks like 41. Dozens more are injured. So it's really a terrible situation. It's a reminder, sadly, of how much our migrant workers suffer when they go abroad hoping to make something to support their families at home, and they end up in this kind of terrible conditions. I pray and hope that the government of Kuwait will take very stern action against whoever is responsible, and will also help compensate the families who lost their loved ones. We all feel a great pain and condolence for the families, because these are the breadwinners who have been supporting their families at home, and I certainly hope there'll be major compensation. I had 5 years ago, when I was chairman of the External Affairs Committee, I had been pressing the government and the Ministry of External Affairs to do a revised immigration bill, to produce provisions that will guarantee better conditions for our migrant workers. I'm shocked that in the 5 years since I had given the suggestion to the ministry and the ministry had accepted it, that no bill has come. And it's really been a dismaying matter. We need to act promptly to create the capacity to support our migrant workers wherever they go. So I would urge the government to, without any delay, come back to Parliament with a serious bill that will enhance the protections for our migrant workers wherever they go.
So, Sabyasachi, politics being raised, but also important issues of the suffering of the migrants being raised by Shashi Tharoor, appealing to the government to prepare a bill for the migrants. Like he mentioned, many of them go there to earn a decent living for them and their families, for asking the government to ensure decent work conditions for these migrants.
Well, absolutely. See, the migrant workers who have been going abroad to get some work to provide assistance to their family members. See, Shashi Tharoor says that the migrant has been living in a very poor condition abroad, and he has, in fact, 5 years ago, told the Ministry of External Affairs to revise the immigration policy so that a proper working condition and protection could be provided to the migrants who goes abroad. But he says that he is completely shocked that after 5 years as well, the Ministry of External Affairs have not revised the bill and neither have taken any sort of action to it. He says that it is extremely unfortunate because these are the people who goes abroad to provide assistance to their family members through hard work, and at this particular time it is the responsibility of the central government to make sure that proper immigration facility as well as protection is provided to the migrant workers who goes abroad for work. See, the politics is going to escalate on this. We had seen that yesterday Prime Minister immediately directed the top officials to reach the
Absolutely.
spot.
As long as the politics, the suggestions are constructive that help the migrant workers in the future, I believe nobody would have an issue with that. Sabyasachi, thank you for getting us the details now.